everybody, in this video we're going to talk about how to find the range of a data set. So take 3 deep breaths and let's make this math easy. Okay, so the range is one of the measurements we use to describe the spread of a data set. So the spread of a data set is basically like how spread out all of the data points are from each other. So the way you calculate the range is super easy. You basically just find the minimum of the data set and then find the maximum. And then you just find the distance between the minimum and the maximum by subtracting the minimum from the maximum. So for example, if I was trying to find the range of this data set, I would go through all of my data points and I would find the minimum and I would find the maximum. So in this case, it looks like the minimum is the number 0 and the maximum is the number 9. And so my range is going to equal my maximum minus my minimum because that will describe the distance between my minimum and my maximum. And so that means that my range would be 9 in this case. And if I wanted to calculate the range for this data set, I would basically do the same thing. So I would say, well, my minimum of this data set is 6. My maximum, if I look through all of my data points, it looks like it's going to be 34. And so the distance between the minimum and the maximum, or the range, would equal 34 minus 6, which would be 28. And so my range in this case would be 28. And again, the range just describes how spread out the data is. So if you have a really small range, that means that the data points are all pretty close together because the distance between the smallest and largest data point is not very far apart. But if you have a really big range, then that means that your data set is more spread out. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a good day.